In my Reiki Level 2 class, you get a Reiki Level 2 toolkit. And this has everything you need for the things I'm going to teach you in the class. So you're going to get my workbook hot off the press. You're going to get 3 dolls that you're going to do the distance treatments on. I'm going to teach you how to send a distance healing using the dolls, and also you get a stuffed animal. The dolls you can do full body treatments with. The stuffed animal, you're going to work on more specific parts of the body, like a headache or any body pain that person has. You're going to be able to learn how to use the stuffed animal for that. You get all of your energy clearing tools that you're going to use. A set of copper dowsing rods. This is how you're going to learn how to assess energy in a space. And that comes in this really nice felt package here. Then you're going to get lead fishing weights. And you'll have to wait until you have to take the class to find out how and why to use those. You get a chime. And the chime sound helps to clear energy. So I teach you how to use that. You also get my aromatherapy mood mist that's for energy clearing. And this one has been attuned with Reiki. So it actually helps to clear the energy in your space. And then you get the chart on how to do the trapped emotion release protocol. So everything you need is in one place for you to do the Reiki 2, the advanced energy clearing, and the trapped emotion release. It's a really, really nice package, and it's unique. I want to make sure that you guys have everything you need and more in order to do the healing work for yourself and for others.